Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Karim from Day Trade today. I just want to go over one trade that I called today during Power Hour on October 5th, 2021. We scalp traded ticker BTBT, Bit Digital, and I just want to get into it. I want to show you guys why I called the trade, what went through my brain, and what got me to even find interest in the stock. So let's get into it. Obviously, I want to understand what I'm trading first before I even take the entry. I want to see if the company's legit or not, what they do, just have an understanding of what what the company's about, right? So they had some news. They announced the closing of $80 million in private placement. Cool. So what they do, right? Bit Digital is a Bitcoin mining firm that has operations in the United States and Canada. So they mine Bitcoin, right? I kind of checked out their website. I found out that they run on carbon-free energy, which makes them leaders in sustainability with the Bitcoin mining industry. So the use of carbon-free energy, that's kind of what it is. That makes them ahead of the game, right? And so that's just kind of what I found. They're one of the largest publicly listed Bitcoin miners on NASDAQ. Cool. Headquartered in New York. Awesome. So they correlate with Bitcoin, right? That's kind of what it is. And as we can see here, Bitcoin has been rallying right now. When the market was opened, it actually hit 50K. It was in the 49 levels. It hit 50K. And this is kind of what happened. So as this was happening, as Bitcoin was going up, essentially BTBT was also going up today on the daily chart. So let's just compare the two, because that's what we're able to do with this feature on TradingView. So this is BTC, and obviously it still correlates with the SPY because it's a stock and it's with NASDAQ and whatnot. So let me just pull up the SPY as well. Okay, awesome. So we scalp traded this, but I want to identify some support resistance levels before I get out of it. So we had some resistance and support here at 10:02. We resisted it, plummeted back down. So I actually called this trade here. I called the entry 10:23. The risk your entry was 10:17. Obviously, if you took either trade, you were in the profits. So I just want to get that out of the way. Cool. And let's just check this out really quick. I just want to show you guys how I got interested in the stock. So we scalp traded this. Let's go on a lower time frame. Let me just do this. Okay, increase the time frame. Bring it down a little bit. Sorry, it's a little laggy with Loom. Okay, cool. I think that works. Okay, awesome. So we had the rally going on here. And obviously, it's more influenced with Bitcoin rather than the SPY, of course. So as you guys can see here, there's a correlation. Bitcoin was going up. It was approaching the 51 level as the market was closing, and that led to BTBT also going up and spiking up as well. Even the SPY had a similar pattern. Right here, as you guys can see, the SPY went up as BTBT went up. And it plummeted down a little bit at the end, but because BTC was still going up, Bit Digital was also going up. So let me just identify what I was looking through right now. Besides these two indicators, obviously, we had a resistance level at 10:02. So I called 10:17 and 10:23 to get away from that psychological level. And so we called that entry. We scalp traded this. Some people held it, and now it's at $11 and I think like 20 cents or something. People are holding it, they're making money, and it was just a very successful power hour. So we called it at 10:17. I made the entry. As you guys can see here, we'll go to the 5-minute really quick. And so boom, just got in. Market closed at 10:35. It actually went up to 10:43, and we wrote a nice 20-cent scalp, and we made some money on it. Appreciate you guys being out here. I appreciate you guys watching this, and congrats to those who made money. Alright guys, see you then.